Myself Shivshankar Reddy. I am from Aerobee section. Today's topic is probability of statistics. Topic is types of events. Probability. Probability is a chance that some event will happen. Probability is like would that an event will occur. It is calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. Generally, it is called as the ratio occur to the number of possible p event equal to favorable outcomes by possible outcomes. What is an event? In probability, the set of outcomes from an experiment is known as event. So if, say for example, you conduct an experiment by tossing a coin, the outcome of this experiment is coin landing heads or tails. This can be said to be the events connected with the experiment. So when the coin lands tails, an event can be said to be occurred of an event. In any given experiment or trial, there is a probability that either an event occurs or it does not. The probability of the occurrence of an event lies between O and the event E of a sample space S is said to have occurred in the outcomes. Event E is drawing a face card. If you draw a king of spades, we say the event E has occurred. So if you look at the Venn diagram, B is the sample set which defines all the probable outcomes of the experiment. Subset A is the event space. So an event will be said to have occurred if it. Simple event. An event which includes only one sample point of a sample space is known as a simple event. Here there is a chance of exactly one outcome. This event is properly called a elementary event. Any event consisting of a single point of the sample space is known as a simple event in probability. For example, if S is equal to flower by 56, 78, 96, 54, 89 and E is equal to 70, then E is a simple event. For example of a simple event, suppose you want heads or you flip a coin. The probability of getting a heads is only 1 and can be denoted by E equal to heads. Similarly, if you toss a die, the probability of getting a 4 is only equal to 4. Compound event as opposed to a simple event. If there is a more than one sample point on a sample space, such an event is called compound event. It involves combining two or more events together and finding the probability of such a combination events. For example, let us take another example. We go through a die. Probability of event number appearing is compound event as there. Certain or sure event. Certain event is also called as sure event. This is a kind of event which is surely going to occur or happen. The probability of this kinds of event is one. Impossible event. The event which can be or sure cannot be happen or impossible to occur is known as impossible event. This probability of this event is 0. Equal likely events. Equal likely events in which outcomes are equally possible to happen are known as equal likely events. When the outcomes of an experiment are equally likely to happen, they are called equally likely events. Like during a coin toss, you are equally likely to event. Complementary events. Two events are said to be complementary when one event occurs only when the other does not occur. Basically, complementary events are events that cannot be occurred at the same time. When a die is thrown getting odd or even if the probability of two complementary event is for any event even the exits another event even, which represents the remaining elements of the sample space E1 equal to S E1, which mutually exclusive events. Two events can be called mutually exclusive events when both of them cannot occur exactly at the same time. These types of events always have a different outcomes. If the occurrence of a one event prevents the occurrence of another event, such events are mutually exclusive events. It is implements in that one. Two events do not have exhaustive events. A set of events are called exhaustive. If at least one of them occurs definitely whenever the experiment is performed, it means the probability of one of them to happens is 100%. In this kind of event, all events come together to take upon the entire sample space. Thank you.